of trust, injecting code through payloads of dust. Your love was end-to-end, encrypted tight. My queries timed out in the endless night. I sniffed your packets in binary rain, an ethical hacker debugging pain. I parsed your headers, traced every frame, but your Mac was masked, an unclaimed name. You are my firewall, guarding my heart, blocking the love I still proclaim. I send my heart through encrypted art, but you remain the firewall of my heart. Yeah, the firewall of my heart. Yeah. I hardened my kernel, patched my flaws, yet your echo breached my final cause. Security engineer of dreams gone cold, out of ink and memories my scripts can't hold. I sandboxed my heart, rebuilt the core, yet your exploit lingers forevermore. In loops of logic where love once sparked, you remain the firewall of my firewall, guarding the trust, blocking the love I still proclaim. I send my heart through encrypted art, but you remain the firewall of my heart. Yeah, the firewall of my heart. I tried to brute force love, but your heart still hates. My signals dropped, the session crashed. I spoof my smile, mask my pain. Your silence, my firewall, blocking every frame. I scan your mind for open ports of trust, found nothing but shadows, decay and dust. I patch my heart, but your shadow persists. A zero-day memory I can't resist. I'm a digital forensic investigator of dreams erased, recovering fragments your silence replaced. In volatile memory, your shadow remains, a timestamp sorrow in encrypted chains. I follow the logs of what we were, hash collisions of love, now just blood. A bug hunter of emotions, I chase the flaw, reverse engineering the code of what I saw. Through threat intelligence, I mapped your art, tracking anomalies inside my heart. Your open source secrets, whispers online, data trails of love I fail to mine. You